How to block someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through steps to block someone on TikTok, whether it's to maintain privacy or for any other reasons. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to block a user. So without further ado, let's get started. So, to block someone on TikTok, the first thing you need to do is go to their profile. If you have come across the person in your feed, simply tap on the profile picture located just above the like button. Alternatively, you can also use the search feature. You simply need to tap on magnifying glass icon at the top and type in the person username and select the profile from the results. And once you are in the person's profile, you simply need to tap on the three dot menu or the arrow icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the menu that appears, look for the block option at the bottom and tap on it. And then confirm your choice by selecting block again. And that's it. The person is now blocked and they won't be able to interact with you on TikTok anymore. And there you have it. That's how you block someone on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.